Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we got a toy for Julie. This one came from Amazon. We did a couple of reviews on other ones to see, how long they last or whatever, because Julie is like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. So we get these kebabs for him. He loves these things. This is the small one for his size. He can easily grab these and he rips them up, and he really goes ham on these things. And this is what they have on the label. If you guys want to pause that, because that's what you would see in the store if you were, checking it out. And then we have the, the measuring tool on here so you guys can kind of scale and see, how big the item is exactly. All right, so we're gonna install this on the cage really quick. He's probably not gonna go rip it up right now, but we will come back in a month or two, depending on how long it lasts, and then we'll do an update on it. And this way you guys can see, how much went through it or whatever, how much he went through. This way you know if there's value in it for you, if it's worth it for you to buy it, and spend your money on it or whatever. All right, so let's go over there. Let's get this installed. He's a very well trained. See, look, he came over just to give me a hug and a kiss. That's what he does every time. When he puffs up like that and he gets that mad look of terror, that just means he wants to give you a nice, welcome kiss and hug. Right, Mommy? See? That's Julie. He loves me. All right, so this is the one that we did have. He ripped this up really well. And now we're gonna put on this one. Maybe outside, yeah, I don't know. I was just thinking maybe it would be, I don't know. All right, Julie. Hello. Okay, let me put this up there. Come on. Julie. All right, everyone. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews. We did an installation on it. We're going to come back and we're going to do, an update on it. Obviously, this is just to show you an unboxing and kind of what it looks like. Usually, he could take anywhere from, I don't know, it depends on how angry he is at the time, I guess, because it could be a couple weeks or even a month or two. But there's 3 on there, so that should last, a lot longer than the other ones, which would be cool. I think he only knows hello, but we'll say hello. Julie, hello. Hello, wave. Oh man, he's so mad right now. He won't do anything.
Don't forget to take your vitamin.
He's just all pissed off at the world. He won't wave or do nothing. Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today. And so now it's been, I think, a couple of months, maybe 4 months, maybe even 5 months. I don't even know, but it's been a couple of months. I'll let you know, down below, and we'll see what's going on here. But I just want to show you an update on the toy that we did get for Julie the African Grey. Just so you guys can see if you guys have a parrot, help you out, whatever. Every parrot, every animal is kind of different. Really, I'm just showing you, I'm just trying to show you value, longevity, and stuff like that. I mean, he's not that aggressive, so I guess not. That box that we got in the back, we'll do reviews on. He loves that green thing. We'll see how long that lasts, so that'll be a good one. But this has been a couple of months. We did the unboxing, showed you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like now. He ripped off a couple of pieces. We kind of took it out because it has a look like this. He made it look like this about a month ago, and then he's never touched it ever since for a month. So that's the reason why we're taking it out, a month later, and we're just gonna, get rid of it, or, sometimes we could take off stuff and make something else out of it. But like I said, we'll do a review on the other stuff that we do get for him and see what's up. But I just want to show you, how much damage we got out of this for the amount of months and the price and stuff like that. And he was into these at some point, and he loved to rip like this, whatever kind of wood this is, this core kind of stuff. But I guess, like I said, he just phased out of it. All right. But that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the unboxing, what it looks like when it's new, and an update on, what it looks like after he damaged it a couple of months later. All right. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community. just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, someway, times a million equals into something. I haven't seen it yet, but from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on these items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I did already review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. I will see everybody later. Bye-bye.